Hello everyone. Today I would like to explain how to share a GIS project as a package file. Sometime when you are going to share your GIS project and when someone will open or when you get like to open it, you will get a sign of warning beside the layers as you see here. I have received it. So it means that you will have a problem with the folder connection or path connection. So it means that the software cannot find the right path of the layer when you are clicking to tick it or to activate it. So it asks you to add a layer again. So um, there's a solution for this to share a GIS, for example, the same project, or even asking the or other project. So the solution is going to file here and share as a map package. You will get the window like this, and there are three sub window. The first one is map package that you can add the path where you like to save it, and then the item description. For example, some of them is optional, and additional file. It means that if you want to add some layers or um, data with the same package. Then you have to analyze uh, this. It means that if you have any problem, that you will get a notification here, any problem with the layers. So it asks you to solve before the sharing. Then after that, if you will not have a problem or warning a message or notification, you can just simply click share, and the folder is packaging or preparing to share it, and then you can send anywhere without any problem with the folder connection. Thanks so much. Have a nice day.